So I thought I'd just give you a walkthrough of my home screen on my iPad right now. And if you want to do this, then you just have to download Widgetsmith. Okay, that's the app. I'll show you. Long press. Oh, actually, this is the app here. And you go into Widgetsmith and you make the apps that you want. Make the widgets that you want. Right? So let's have a look. I've got some photos and quotes. The battery, that's how much battery I've got left right now. My music, what I want to play, that's the time. Again, that's a photo, Canva, so that I can quickly get into Canva when I want to and start. I'll bring up the last thing I was working on. Oh, this is actually a freebie in my freebie hub. So you want to hop over to my freebie hub and grab, this is a sleep screen, but you can use it as a notebook cover too. It's a PNG file, so it's really cool, handy. You can use it in GoodNotes and you can use it on the Remarkable and you can use it in OneNote as well. So it's pretty cool. Anyway, we're getting sidetracked. That's Canva. This is my Google Drive and you can connect whichever Google Drive you want and then you can access the last you can see I'm working on notebooks and I'm downloading all sorts of files. This is my daily planner template that I just did in GoodNotes, which is really cool. I will show you that. Let me just show you that. That is so cool. Oh, there it is right now. It's pretty handy. Look at this, the daily planner, and then you can just write. You can write. I just put the paper-like screen on. Look at that. Can you hear it? It's so cool. Let us just get rid of all that. Yeah. Anyway, I digress. And this is the Siri suggestion widget. Okay, so when you press and hold and everything jiggles, you come up here to the plus button. And then you come down here to Widgetsmith. Oh, sorry, no, we're doing Siri. You go to Siri suggestions. So you tap on that and then it'll ask you, always ask you what size you want. So that's that size, that's that size, that's that size, and that's that size. Now I'm not going to press OK because I don't want to add another one. I've already got one, but that's what this is. And then it will, I'll just click done. It will actually bring up suggestions. You can't edit this, you can't change it. You can edit this. And of course here, I've removed all my apps from my home screen and put them all in the app library because Apple's really good at making up the categories. They're really cool. And then that way you get to just keep it like a desktop where you get to keep what you want there and then you get to do, you know, whatever you want on a second screen if you want. And I don't have a third screen because I just keep it all clean and I use my devices for specific things. So